Hey everyone, how's it going? So I want to start off by wishing everyone a happy Earth Day. And in honor of Earth Day, I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon Earth with a few fun kind of cartoon animals around the top of it. Now I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this Earth Day today. Now to start off with our little Earth Day project, let's begin by making a nice big circle on here for our Earth. I'm going to go ahead and just trace something circular, and I'm going to use this little paint palette. Now instead of keeping it right in the middle, I'm actually going to move this down here just a little bit because I'm going to put some fun stuff on the top. Now to start off with this, I'm just going to take my Sharpie. I'm going to make a nice big circle all the way around here, and that will be my Earth. Now to start off with my Earth, I'm going to make a nice little cute face on here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'll start off by making a circle for the eye. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. We want to make this a cute eye, so we'll make a little circle at the top and a little circle at the bottom. We'll do that same thing in here, a little circle and then another one. Then I just want to go ahead and color in this middle part, leaving my two little circles white in each one of my eyes. So let's go ahead and color the inside of each one. Now once I have that, I want to make the mouth. So I want them to be really happy. I'm going to begin by making a smiley face, and you can see it's a little bit above the eyes. Next I'm going to take this and I'm going to curve this around on each side. So it looks like the mouth is nice and open. Then we'll come down and up in another smile. Starting here, we're going to make like a little sad face for the tongue. And then we're just going to go ahead and fill in this part of the mouth here. Now once we have our cute little Earth face, we want to make some of the different parts of land on here. I'm going to begin right up here, and I'm just going to make some kind of bumpy little lines. They're just going to go down and then over. I'm not trying to make this look realistic, I'm just going to make this kind of fun and cartoony. Over here we'll make lines going to kind of go up, and we'll make it a little bumpy and come down. And right over here we'll make lines going to go up. We'll kind of go in a little bit, down, bring it over. And we'll put a little bump over here too. Now, this is just going to be my basic shape of the Earth. Now I want to put some cute little animals around it. Now the first animal I want to start with is my favorite, which is actually one of the most endangered animals in the world, and that is the tiger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here at the top of the Earth, and I'm going to begin by making a little half circle here. I want to leave some space, and then I'm going to make another little half circle right over here. And those will be the little paws of our animal. Now, starting from one paw to the next, I'm just going to draw a little line across. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go down and then come back here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little kind of circular shape that's just going to go up and down. It's going to run right along the bottom of our head. Right at the top, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. I'll make a little line that comes down, and then we'll put two little smiley faces on each end. Starting here, I'm going to make a little circle for an eye, and then we'll make another little circle for an eye over here. And we'll just stick with that cute theme, and we'll come in and just color most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. Same thing over here, we're just going to go up and down. We'll draw that same shape inside of here. Now for the stripes of our tiger, I'm going to make some little triangle shapes that come in on each side. They'll make a line that comes down and up at the top. We'll make another one here, and then one more here. And then right on the sides, I'm going to add some little whiskers here. I'll also make two little lines right here for the paws. Next, I'm going to kind of turn this so I can put another animal here. So we're just going to turn our paper like this. Now starting here, let's make another little animal, and this time let's make a little panda. So I'm going to begin right here. I'll make a little line that goes up and down for a half circle, and one more right here. Once again, we'll draw a line across from one paw to the other. Then we'll make our line come up and back down. Starting here, we're going to make kind of like a oval circular shape here. At the top, we'll make a little oval shape, and once again, just color in most of it, leaving a little bit white at the top. We'll draw our little line down, and then we'll put our two little smiley faces on each side. I'm going to make a little circle here, and then another little circle over here for the eyes. We'll make that little tiny circle in there, and then just go ahead and color in the rest of it. Now right here, I'm going to make a big kind of oval shape that's going to go up and then down. And then same thing here, we're just going to go up and then bring it down. Then I'm going to draw a little tiny circle right around each eye, and this way I can have a little white ring around the eye, and I know when I color in everything else, my little pupil will really stand out. Right up here, I'm going to make a little half circle for an ear, and another little half circle for an ear over here. And once again, we'll add two little marks in here for the feet. Now let's turn our paper this way one more time, and we're going to add one final little animal in here. So right here, I'm going to begin by making a little sad face here for a foot, and then we'll make a little sad face right here for a foot. Once again, we're going to make our little line across. Then we're going to make our line come up, and we'll bring it back down. Now we're going to turn this one into a little axolotl. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a little circle for an eye, and another one right here. We'll go ahead and color in most of it. Then right here we'll make a little line that curves up and down, and another one right there. Starting here, let's make a little line that comes out and in, and then one right here. Do that same thing here, we're just going to go out and curve in, out and then curve in. They're kind of like little jelly bean shapes. I'm going to go ahead and put one more up here, just so we have 3 on each side, so we have 6 total. And then we'll go ahead and add some little lines on here for the toes. And there you go. There is your little fun, cute Earth Day drawing. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.